Cette nouvelle gateway apporte, en plus de LoRa, la technologie mioty, adaptée pour les capteurs, mioty for OMS, qui permet d'avoir une technologie adaptée aux compteurs, en plus des technologies OMS qui existent par ailleurs. Grâce à ça, un déploiement de compteurs a une technologie adaptée aux compteurs et permet d'avoir des granularités de données adaptées aux compteurs, tout en ouvrant la porte à des déploiements de capteurs pour des cas d'usage Smart City comme les parkings intelligents, la gestion de la qualité de l'air ou toutes les autres applications qui peuvent être là au sein d'une ville qui pourraient nécessiter une technologie radio. Et tout ça au sein d'une seule infrastructure.
So if you install the gateway in the field and you have a fixed network with our gateway, you install a certain meter base, and if after some time you want to install more meters, our gateway can manage that. We can manage up to 100,000 sensor and meter data together with only one single gateway. It doesn't matter if it's from smart metering sensors, doesn't matter if it's from IoT. You only can easily put more sensors and meters in the network, and hence we are very scalable.
So with the way mioty is built, it's really not only working excellent with a few pieces, it's really scalable. So you can have many 10,000s of devices. All these small pieces, it's like a little bit playing Tetris, if you can imagine. If you have big, large bricks playing Tetris, it's much more difficult than if you have only very small single pieces and to fill up the room. And this is, in a simple way explained by mioty, can use the spectrum in the most efficient way and have that many devices than compared to other technologies. There is 2 points to mention. First, it's a living standard. So there is right now, we are doing an ETSI update of the standard with new features inside, which are also some useful definitely for metering applications. And secondly, we have integrated mioty in the new OMS LP1s, which is provided by the OMS. And here now we have a direct match with the technology and the metering world. So this makes it now mioty ready for metering.